this next sheet in the plan set is the utility plan. And like I mentioned earlier in the subdivision videos, is typically the drainage, which is called drainage or sometimes storm sewer, is typically separated from your utilities, which would be your sanitary sewer, your electrical, your water, and your gas. So if we take a look at this utility plan, we come over probably over to the notes first. In the legend, we can see we got sanitary, underground electric, telephone, water service, construction fence, and fiber optics, and then some existing stuff. So these are our proposed legend. And we can take a look over here and a blow up detail of what's happening in this area over here. So we've got an electrical riser, we've got a pump station for the sanitary. There's looks like a grease trap, right? So again, depending on the type of structure and what it's going to be used for will depend on, you know, what type of utilities you may have. There's a bunch of notes. Okay, and then over here in the actual plan, again, it's going to show us the layout of this these utilities. So if you're responsible for laying them out, we could use this plan to, you know, comp the location of this information, and then we could use that to stake it out, and that's what would be laid out. Typically, depends on who the utility contractor is and what they're doing is whether they'll need it to be staked out and or located. But in a lot of cases, you know, you may have to locate this after it gets put into the ground for an as-built or a geographic information or GIS system for the county or city or state. So this here is the, like I said, the utility plan. The next page, I think, is the sanitary sewer profiles. So this would show us how the pump stations laid out, the grease trap, and the elevations of the existing ground and proposed ground. All right, so these are all just the sanitary profiles that would be in the project.